Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. In this video I will be sharing with us best forex trading strategy that makes up to $1,000. That is what we will be looking at in today's video. If you want to make a lot of money from forex trading, or probably want to trade for a very long time, then you need to watch this video to the end, because I will be sharing with you a unique trading strategy that can help you to make as much as $1,000 whenever you are trading. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is the platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course guys, make sure you practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. You can also join my Telegram channel so that you can learn directly from me, because we always have some trading activities going on right there in the Telegram channel. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I said earlier on, we will be checking out the best forex trading strategy that can make up to $1,000, okay, for you whenever you are trading. Okay, so this is what we will be looking at. So many people have been wondering how I've been able to trade with a small lot size and make so much profit with it. Okay, I will be revealing the secret to you today so that you will get to see what I do in order to make some good profit for myself right here. Okay, in most cases I don't even bother myself spending so much time within the market trying to analyze the market. All I just check is put things into places, and of course set up my trades, and I move out of the house, and by the time I come back I will have gotten to my take profit. Okay, that's why I've been making some good profit right from here. So quickly, I will be sharing this with you in this video. Okay, now let's see how we can go about it. There are some stuff that I used to let you know whenever I am dishing out my training like this. Okay, there are some major things that are very important. Okay, one of them is the trend. Okay, for you to go into any market, you must know the trend of the market. If the trend is on downtrend, then you know what to do when the trend is on downtrend. If it is on downtrend, you know you will be selling at that particular point and you are not buying. And if it is on uptrend, then you know you are buying at that point and you are not selling. All these are very important, but most of the time we don't even care about all these, and we just jump into the market and pray that the market should go in our favor. No, it doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way. Do not turn God into a magician. Okay, it doesn't work that way. Okay, you need to know what you are doing before you can back it up with prayer. Make sure you know what you are doing. Make sure you do the right thing, and you can now back it up with prayer. That is when it will work. And if you don't even know how to pray, it will still work for you, because it is the natural law. Okay, so that is it. And of course guys, the trend is always very important. It will help you to know when to go into the market, the kind of trade you should go for whenever you are trading. Okay, then another thing that is very important is the SR. Okay, the SR means support and resistance. Okay, your support and resistance is also very important. Okay, if you are selling, okay, if you are selling, then it should come from your resistance zone, and if you are buying, then it should come from your support zone. Okay, all these will help you to know when you are to go into the market and when you are to exit the market. Okay, then recently I've been adding our lot size to it. I've been saying so much things about lot size. The reason is most of us use lot size that are not reasonable at all. Okay, we want to make quick money and you want to make it very fast. This is not a gambling platform, okay? It is a real business platform. All you need to do is to treat it as one. You treat it as a real business which you are doing. Okay, you treat it the way you will treat a physical business. Okay, so that is very, very important. You use a lot size that your capital can control, or that can help you control your capital within the market. Even when the market go against you, you won't be taken out of the market totally within a twinkle of an eye. Okay, that is very, very important. Now, with all this being said, we are going to be going into the chart right away to show you the strategy that we need to put in place. Okay, and of course, all these also will be applied during the process. So now let's go straight to the chart right away. Okay guys, this is my chart right here, and I'm on crash, and of course I will be using this to do my analysis right here. Okay, the first thing I will ask you to do is to take your chart to 1 hour time frame. Okay, if you truly want to make big money with this, then you should have a reasonable capital also. Okay, even if you are not going to have as much as most people are willing to have, probably you can start with about $300-$500, and of course you are cool to go. Okay, so quickly let me explain to you what you need to do. Just the way you are saying it, I'm having the 3M trend Milka trading indicator on the chart. The reason for that is that it will help me to do my analysis quickly. Like I explained to you earlier on, that I don't really spend so much time within the chart trying to study the chart, because I have this trading tool right there on my chart. It helps me to know when the market is on uptrend and when the market is on downtrend, so it makes it very easy for me. Okay, and I know my entry point with it easily, and I know my exit point with it easily. Okay guys, so all I just need to do is just to plot my graph and try to know when to come in and when to exit. If if the chart has not gotten to where to come in, I just leave it on study and allow it to get to that position. Once it gets there, I plug into the system, and of course I'll leave it and allow it to do its work. Okay, that is how it works guys. So quickly, we can see that this was on downtrend before. Okay, and of course this is crash 500, and we are on 1 hour time frame. It was on downtrend before, so all I just need to do is just to allow you to get to this this support zone. Here is the support zone. I just need to get to there. Okay, after getting there and it was unable to break out below it, all I need to do is to wait for a buy arrow and this yellow flag. Okay, to wait for a buy arrow from here and this yellow flag. Once I get that, then I can jump into the trade. Okay, so let's say I decide to come in after getting the yellow flag, and you can see right here that I've gotten the buy arrow around here, and of course I can come in right here. So once I come in right here, I will have to look at this. Is going to be a very long trade anyway, but all I just need to do, because this is the beginning of the trend, so it's going to be a very long trade, so all I just need to do is just to highlight some major resistance zone, because if you are starting your trade from a support zone, then you should know that there will be pullbacks from the resistance zones, and of course if there's going to be a total reversal in price action, it will also come from the resistance zones also. Okay, so the first one I'm going to highlight is somewhere here, which is you can see it around here. So that is the first one I will be highlighting. Then the second one I should be highlighting is somewhere here. Okay, yeah, that is around here. Then probably I can choose this because this is a minor one. Okay, but I can choose this because there is a major one around there. Then also I can also consider this particular one, okay, around here. You can see it right here. So actually I'm not going to put it at the resistance zones. I'm just going to focus more on how to take my profit around the resistance zone. Okay, because I always take my profit before it gets fully to the resistance zones. Okay, so that is how I go about it. So you can see, once I see the blue arrow, all you just need to do is to wait for the yellow flag and the blue arrow. Once you get the blue arrow and the yellow flag, you come in, you place your order right here, and of course you can take your profit around there. That will even give you a lot of profit at the end of the day. We can do the calculations together so that we get to see how much profit we are able to make. This is about 6 candles, that is 6 hours of trading in profit. You can do the calculations right there. 6 hours of trading in profit. Okay, if you break it down into minutes and you are making like $1 per minute, you can imagine how much profit you will be making at the end of the day. And this is just the beginning of the trend. In most cases, in some cases, guys, we might have a little pullback around there. It might come down a bit to somewhere here before going up, just the way we had right here. Around here, you can see when it got to this resistance zone, it came down a bit and it went back up again. And when it got to this particular resistance zone also, it came down also and it went up again. So that will definitely happen. So you can do that all through the day and make a lot of profit. Okay, if you have been on my Telegram channel, you will notice that there are some trades. Sometimes I will just pick 2 trades out throughout the day, and those 2 trades might end up giving me over $2,000, okay, right from there. And the funniest thing is I always use a very small lot size to, compared to my capital, I use a very small lot size. This is giving you this is a kind of 1:6 ratio, okay, and of course it is giving you more advantage than if it goes the other way around. If it goes the other way around, then definitely you're not going to lose much, okay. But if it goes in your way, then definitely you're going to make a lot of profit because you are starting from the beginning of the trend. Okay, you are starting from the beginning of the trend, and thank God for the trading tool that gives us the opportunity to know the trend at the right time, and of course your entry point at the right time. So another way to go about this, probably in my next video, I will explain further on how to go about this. Okay, you can see at every pullback we always have a buy arrow popping out, and definitely that gives you an opportunity to come in again, okay, and even trade the market for a very long time. Remember, this is 1 hour time frame, so it helps you to trade the market for a very long time. Okay, you can imagine you going on and on and on like this. Okay, so that's amazing. It is beautiful. So you guys can also try this. All you just need to do is just to make sure you understand every part of the analysis right here, and put it into practice right there whenever, on your demo account, before you can try them out on your real account. That is very, very important. And if you have any question at all, you can drop your comment in the comment section. If you want to know about this trading tool, you can contact me personally. My contact details is in the my contact details are on the in the Telegram, in the description box below this video, so you can check it out and contact me right from there. I will always be there to reply you. Okay, so that is very, very important. So it is very, very easy to do. All you just need to do is just to follow the simple instruction I have highlighted in this video. Make sure you are sure of the trend. Once you are sure of the trend, and of course coming from a support zone if you are buying, coming from a resistance zone if you are selling, wait for the flag to show, and of course follow the signal that supports this flag, and of course that is how you make your profit. And you can break it down just the way I've broken it down into places like this. Okay, in case you don't know, from this entry point, from this first entry point to this particular resistance zone, okay, which should be our first take profit, is a very long trade, and it is a lot of profit for us. Okay, it's going to give us a lot of profit for us. That alone should be giving you more than $100. Okay, it should be giving you more than $100. You can imagine you making $100 per day. That is about $3,000 in a month, guys. That's amazing, guys. That's amazing. So you can even make more than that on daily basis if you know your way about it. So this is very easy to do. This analysis is done on 1 hour time frame, and of course we can make a lot of profit this way. Okay, I will be stopping right here. You remember, this is coming to you courtesy our Qora digital cash. And if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.